how to fix lag in Fortnite mobile Samsung. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag in Fortnite mobile on your Samsung device. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix lag in Fortnite mobile on your Samsung, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Search Lagafast Mobile Booster in the App Store or Google Play to download the app. You can also scan the QR code. Step 2. Click the download button, then launch the Lagafast Mobile Booster. Step 3. Launch Fortnite Mobile, then search for Fortnite Mobile in Lagafast Mobile Booster. Step 4. When you find Fortnite Mobile in Lagafast Mobile Booster, click the Boost button. Step 5. Finally, go back to Fortnite Mobile and start playing without any lag. Solution 2. Adjust to the best Fortnite mobile settings for no lag. Step 1. Set mobile frame rate to 60 fps. Step 2. Set user interface contrast to 1x. Step 3. Set auto set quality to auto set. Step 4. Set quality presets to low. Step 5. Set 3D resolution to 35%. Step 6. Turn off the auto download high resolution textures. Step 7. Turn off high resolution texture reminders. Step 8. Turn on show FPS allow. Step 9. Turn off low power mode. Solution 3. Clear device cache. Clear the cache on your Android device to free up valuable resources and potentially resolve lag issues. Solution 4. Manage background apps. Close unnecessary background apps to allocate more resources to Fortnite Mobile. Running multiple apps can strain your phone's capabilities and cause lag during gameplay. So that's how you can fix lag in Fortnite Mobile on your Samsung. That's all for this video.